Hi there, my name is Clint. I'm a designer based in Brooklyn, and I'm going to be talking about AI design workflows. And today I want to show a demo of this Raycast extension. I called it NIMG. And so this extension allows me to save prompts and run them across files on my desktop and put them into Nano. And the idea is that Nano is potentially a really interesting tool for product designers to iterate on their designs, to push their thinking, also to have some fun with some of its really kind of exciting image generation capabilities. So without further ado, I will get started. So I've got this screenshot of the Amazon homepage, and I'll just come in here and I'll type NIMG. And so let's run the first prompt, which is wireframe. So take this screenshot and turn it into a wireframe. So this is one of the prompts that Nano seems to do super well with. And I think the thought is this could be useful for maybe presentations or different ideation processes where you want to just kind of strip the UI away and kind of go down to a basic wireframe form. And so I will just be quiet while this runs. It usually takes 30 to 40 seconds depending on the complexity. And so cool. So here's a really kind of nice looking wireframe of the Amazon homepage, and I was able to, you can do this for basically any website. Now moving on to the next example. So this one was kind of a fun one. So I've got this screenshot of the New York Times, and I wrote this prompt, or I had ChatGPT write this prompt that turns the UI into a Windows 95 look. So this gives you kind of an idea of kind of the breadth of what Nano can do and how it can really take a design and push its limits. And so I thought this was kind of a fun one, but also pretty neat to see what it does, taking some of these modern websites and turning them super old school. So cool. So we've got the New York Times in a Windows 95 style, and we can do this for any screenshot. Now I'll move on to the last one. And so here we go. We've got this Base 10 AI inference company's homepage. We've got it selected on our desktop. And so now we'll run this 5 variants prompt. And so the idea with this one is, can we use Nano to really push our thinking and kind of go broad? And so one point that I had it look at is first having it sort of understand the site's kind of structure, design system, layout, and then generating some UI alternatives that could really help us explore some alternate concepts. And so I'm kind of liking this one, but here we go. We've got basically our original page and then 5 other different iterations that we've created almost instantly. So this extension is, you could download it from GitHub and paste in your Gemini API key. There's nothing that's getting stored outside of your local machine. And you can add your own prompts and different workflows. So definitely check it out. And if there's any comments, feel free to open some issues.